Are you registered to vote? Do you have an ID card? The general public is hereby notified that effective July 9th, 2021, the registration process for the following will be closed and resume after the general elections. 1. New registration. 2. Change of addresses. 3. Change of name. Take advantage of the $100 fee waiver for replacement of lost identification cards that is currently being offered at the electoral offices in both Castries and Vieux Fort for the month of July 2021. Please note all the requirements for the replacement of a lost ID must be met and include statutory declaration form signed by a Justice of the Peace, JP, Notary Royal, a $5 stamp affixed to the form, and 2 passport-sized photos. The outdoor registration centers for the following areas, Dennery North, Gros-Islet, and Soufrière, are now closed effective July 1st, 2021.